Namaste, welcome to Arthaniti. Today, Government of India made two big announcements. Now, these announcements are going to affect all of us. The first announcement was its decision to release 5 million barrels of oil from its emergency oil reserves. Now, petrol and diesel prices have been a major cause of concern for all of us. Now, this is not the case limited only to India, but this inflationary trends in petrol prices have been faced worldwide. US President Joe Biden has been requesting OPEC, the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, for increasing the supply of crude oil so that the prices of crude oil cool off. But his requests are getting disregarded, and that is why the US president has decided to release oil from its own emergency oil reserve, which is called Strategic Petroleum Reserves, SPR, as it is called in the various news that have come. Now, along with the US president also had requested major oil consuming countries around the world. Now, countries like China, India, Japan, South Korea to come forward and release petroleum stocks from their emergency reserves so as to keep the rising prices in check. Now, China has already started working on releasing the stock. Japan and South Korea are in the process of are contemplating their move, their action going forward. Today, India made this decision that it will release 5 million barrels from its emergency stock. Now, the quantity might be minuscule when it comes to worldwide consumption, but when it comes to India, this can reduce petrol prices in the near future. So, this is one big news which has a potential of saving some of our money which we were spending on petrol and diesel. Now, the second most important decision news for the day, which all of us should keep an eye on, is the cryptocurrency bill that the government wants to introduce in the winter session of the parliament. Now, this bill is going to bring in regulations which are going to ban all private cryptocurrencies in India. So, if you are trading, looking at the various ads by various actors, Apna Time Aega and all that, be watchful of this new regulation which will be passed, which will be tabled in this winter session of the parliament. The bill also seeks to introduce a cryptocurrency, a digital currency by India, which is regulated by the RBI. Now, you have to watch out for this and take proper decisions if you have put in your money in cryptocurrencies on the various exchanges, online exchanges that are available nowadays, online platforms through which you might have invested in cryptocurrencies. So look out for this bill. Don't fall into any trap. Don't start trading in these currencies just because an actor or a well-known celebrity is promoting it. You have to be watchful, as it is cryptos are not regulated, are not legal in India. So you will have no way to go in case government bans them completely after tabling this bill in the parliament. So be watchful and safely trade in those currencies. Now, these were the two announcements. These were the two big announcements which we have, which would impact all of us. And watch this space for more on these announcements. Thank you. Bye.